Hey everybody, Marty Roberts here, Indian Hills Community College, Machine Tech. With everything that's going on, it's kind of hard to get people in here to see what's going on in Machine Tech. As I kind of zoom around a little bit here, you can see there's not much going on right now. We're waiting to fire back up after things calm down a little bit. So I wanted to just, I'm just going to walk around the shop a little bit, show you some of our equipment, some of the opportunities that you can get involved with here at Indian Hills and Machine Tech, and see if maybe that's something that might interest you. So I'm going to flip the camera around here and just walk around and show you what we got going on. So hopefully I can stay pretty calm and not too shaky, but I'll just walk around and show you some of our machines. This is one of our newer machines. This is a Doosan DNM 4500. This is a CNC mill. This is a high performance production machine you'll see out in industry. And so those of you who are not familiar with Indian Hills Machine Tech, we're making parts. The production parts for the agricultural industry, medical industry, high performance racing, whatever needs to be made. So we're taking raw material, cutting it, shaping it into parts and pieces that can be used in everyday life. This is one of our brand new machines. It's a Hyundai Wia CNC lathe. So you're going to be in front of some of the latest and greatest technology. These are our Haas TL1s, little tool room lathes, CNC. Here's our Haas TM1P, pretty new machine as well. There's our 3D printer. That's a U-Print is the brand of it. It's a pretty good machine. That'll do 8x8x8 part. Here's our Haas ST10. You'll see most of our machines are Haas in here. For no particular reason other than it's a pretty economical machine, but these machines are great for learning CNC for the first time. Everything that this machine does is run by that controller right there. As you look through our shop, we have a lot of manual equipment. The manual equipment is really designed it's designed in our curriculum to really give you those foundational skills you need to learn the machining industry, and then get into understanding the concepts. This is one of our Clausen Mendoza manual lathes. As you can see, most of our equipment is pretty new. The college really prides themselves in putting the newest, latest, and greatest equipment in front of you. Machines that are newer, new technology, high quality technology. We still have a few of the old machines. These old Monarchs here are still great machines. Some of these machines were built in the 1940s, and then right next to it we have machines that were built in the 2000s. Can make the same parts on the same machines. If I was putting one in my shop, I'd probably put one of these bad boys in there. They're a great machine. As we walk down here, this is our grinding area. We have surface grinders and drill presses and that kind of thing. Here's one of our newest additions. This is our water jet machine. Pretty cool machine for plate cutting parts and pieces. It's completely CNC operated. It uses 30,000 psi of water with a garnet abrasive, and it'll cut through plate. You can see, I'll move over here, and like I said, it's completely CNC operated. You've got this is your hopper here. The garnet goes in here and runs down into that yellow cup, and water blasts down through that. The water comes through this tube right here. Here you can kind of see some parts that's been cut. It's kind of like a cookie cutter. It'll cut out parts and pieces depending upon if we can cut wood, we can cut steel. There's a piece of stainless steel there, so it'll cut anything. It'll even cut plexiglass if you want to. Definitely it'll cut your hand. So I'll just kind of keep walking around here. The skills are in high demand. especially when you look at that right there. You see manufacturing in the United States is growing, and with what's going on in this country, we wonder if it's gonna become even more and more important. Even through these times, people in machining have been deemed critical workers. All of our graduates are out there working right now, right through this whole pandemic, just because we have to make, and things have to keep rolling. Parts have to be replaced. Trucks need to haul stuff down the road, and so it's critical. We have to have machinists making parts, making repair parts, making new product, and this is the career that's going to get you through there. So if you have any questions, hit that Indian Hills website, www.indianhills.edu, and look for machine technology. CNC machining is where the future is.